Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to about this Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback on Tecno mobile. Friends, you are not operating your Tecno mobile and once you have this setting, so how to stop talkback today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you can see this type interface on your mobile, so scroll it and friends use your two finger, then friends you can use your talkback setting. Friends, one tap on your phone setting and friends continue to tap on phone setting guys, because guys if you one tap on your phone setting friends you cannot stop talkback and friends you cannot use talkback setting on Tecno mobile. Friends, double tap here and friends click on Wi-Fi setting and then friends again use your two finger. Then friends click on special function, one tap here and friends double tap here. Friends, you can see accessibility setting is one tap here and friends double tap here. Friends, talkback here, one tap, double tap here. Use talkback setting as one tap and double tap here. Then friends you can see stop button. So friends, you want to stop talkback on your device, so friends double tap here and friends you can stop talkback on your Tecno mobile. And friends, now you can use guys your phone without talkback. Friends, you can scroll with one finger guys, you can on any setting with one tap, and friends you can lock your screen and you can unlock your screen with one finger. So like that friends, we can stop talkback on Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to stop talkback. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.